So guys, the next part of the build is actually the front bumper and roof rack. So I wanted to have a safari car, so I need to have a spotlight and the roof rack to strap stuff on. So after a lot of research, this roof rack, we don't have anyone actually made it in Malaysia. I need to order it from US, which is very expensive. One of our friends actually ordered from aurizn the roof rack, which is a normal like steel material. It cost him in total of 15,000 ringgit, which is too high. So I asked around and find out that there is a fabricator in Batu Cave. There's a fabricator in Puchong. They are friends with CNC machine. So yes, I have talked to them and try to get an idea and input from them, but most of them are like, oh, I have not tried this before. I don't know how I'm gonna mount it on the Cayenne. So basically, we don't have anyone that actually modify Cayenne in Malaysia then. So, well, I'm just gonna try my luck and head to one of the fabricator, sit down with him, and here is the making of my front bumper and the roof rack. I have this idea in mind that everything that is going to be on this car must be locally made. Why? Because we actually have a lot of talented Malaysians in Klang Valley, but well, these people are basically not known of, or they don't have time for social media or publicity for themselves. They are skilled craftsmanship, but they have not done any marketing to themselves or their brand. So I find these people and then, well, help them out.